Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 30. This is Section 1.3, Problem 30. It says, on the day a baby is born, it is 53 centimeters long. It grows 94 more centimeters by the time it reaches age 10. How tall is the baby by the time it is a 10-year-old? So, it starts at 53 centimeters. It grows 94 more centimeters, so we will add those numbers together. So in the far right column of digits, I'll start by adding 3 plus 4, which is 7. And then the other column, 5 plus 9, which is 14. So the answer is 147. But with any type of application problem where they give you units of measure, your answer should be in the same units of measure as the question. So in the question, it talks about all the measurements being in centimeters. So our answer should be in centimeters, which you can abbreviate if you like, cm for centimeters. So the answer is, by the time this baby becomes a 10-year-old, it is 147 centimeters tall.